वेलकम टू वेज क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता आनी देव बरो सांज दिवं. कित्याक हिंगासर आतां सांजे जाल्या आनी सांजेची आतां हिंगासर 9:30 जाल्या, रातची 9:30 जाल्या. तर हांव आतां तयारी करता भात, आमचे गोंयचे भात, आनी हांव आख्खी रात तेका दवरतली. ओके, तर तेका लागून कितें कितें जाय तें सांगता. आता ही माझी घरामाईची करप स्टायल आहली, पण तेन्ना मिक्सर नासले, तेन्ना हातीन मारताले. हांव मिक्सर यूज करता फास्ट काम जावपाक. ओके, सो आमकां जाय फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आमची 5 तांतयां. ओके, 5 तांतयां आनी ह्यो जावन आसा 1 आनी अर्दो हे जे कुलेरां आहा पळय ती माप आहा पळय तेजे रवो. आनी हांवें हेका 2 टेबल स्पूनाची घी घेतल्या. आमची घी घेवन तेका हांवें सारको रोस्ट केलो, बरो भाजून घेतला. ओके, आनी इल्लेशें मीठ घातला तितून भाजता तेन्ना. ही जावन आसा घी, तुमच्यान कसली घी उजार करूं येता. आनी हे जावन आसा आमचे पुत्तून 1 आनी अर्दें कप कांतलेले चून, आनी 1 आनी अर्दें कप हे माप एमेझॉनान बा मेळटा मेजरमेंटाचे. 1 आनी अर्दें कप साखर. ओके, तर आमकां इतलेंच जाय. तर फर्स्ट थिंग, ओके, आय विल टेल इन इंग्लिश नाव. सो आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू टुडे coconut semolina cake, what we call as bath. Okay, and those days without mixer grinder we used to beat the eggs nicely in the hand and all. We used to use ghee, my grandmother. So now we need 5 eggs. Okay, nicely beaten. 1.5 cup of sugar. This is the measurement. So whatever you are taking measurement, stick to that measurement. Then I have roasted 1.5 cup of semolina, okay, with ghee, 2 tablespoons of ghee. So on low flame I have roasted it and I have kept it. So in this non-stick I used and I roasted it for a few minutes till I get the aroma. And this is 1.5 cup of grated coconut. You can use designated coconut too. So now let's start. So we have to do first thing is add the eggs to the mixer. Room temperature eggs. I'm not using vanilla essence because my grandmother used to not use, and still we used to not get any smell of egg. But if you want, you can use it. You can add that vanilla essence. So let's grind this to nicely. If you have a hand mixer, you can do with that also, but I am doing it in the normal grinder. Now to this let's add the coconut. So हितून आता हांव कोकोनट घालून वांटता. सपोज तुमकां वांटूंक नाका जाल्यार तुमच्यान वांटी नाका, आख्खे घालात, पण वांटलेले जाल्यार बऱ्याक पडटा. So let's grind this again. It will get nicely mixed. Now we'll add our sugar to this and grind for just 2 times. Okay, here it is. Add it in this. So this is my style, quick style. Just grind the 3 ingredients in this And now we will add सेमोलिना. तर हांवें त्या तिनूय मिक्स करून बरे भशेन वांटले आनी सगळें साखर, सून आनी तांतयां. ओके, आतां हितून हांव ह्यो रवो घालता. मिक्स करूया. आणि आखी रात दवरुया. So now after mixing this nicely, cover this with a cling flame or a plate, and then tomorrow morning we will bake this. Now at this point, if anybody wants to add vanilla essence or lime juice, little bit, it's all up to you. But my grandmothers do not use anything, so that's why I am doing the same. Now we'll put little bit of ghee. So 2 tablespoons I had put, and now I am again putting 2 tablespoons of ghee in this. I am not using butter also, I am using only ghee. Mix this. That's it. Now I'll cover this and leave this for overnight. So I'm just wrapping this. You can cover it only with plate if you don't have this. This tray size is 9 by 9 and 2 inches. Okay, so this is this way 9, this way 9. Okay, so 9 by 9, and the height, that is, this is 2 inches. But whatever y'all have, y'all can use your trays. So, and also the baking time for this bath is oven degrees 170 degrees on OTG, that is oven, and you have to bake this for 30 minutes. Okay, on 170 degrees. So now I will show you how to make a dough for my bath cake. Okay, so this is 1 cup of maida, that is all-purpose flour or maida. Then I will be adding a pinch of salt to taste. So this is going to be a base and the top one. तर हे जावन असा 1 कप मैदा घेतला हांवें, आनी जे हांव म्हाज्या बाथ केकीच्या बेकिंग ट्रेचेर खाला घालतली, आनी मागीर तेजे बॅटर घातल्या उपरांत मागीर तेजे हांव स्ट्रिपां लायतली. अहें आदी बाथ केक अहीच जाताली. जरी तर तूं बाजारांत पासून पयशी मेवता तेन्ना ती अहीत मेवता. खाला एक आसतलें एक भाकोर, आनी तेजे वयर मागीर स्ट्रिपां आसता. ओके, So I am going to show you all like that only. आणि उदक न्हू आमी इल्ले इल्ले घेवंक जाय, पूण तेजे पयले हांव घेता प्युअर घी. तुमच्यान बटर घेवं येता. सो आय एम टेकिंग प्युअर घी. यू ऑल कॅन टेक बटर ऑल्सो. सो इट्स लायक 1 tablespoon. Okay, 1 tablespoon of pure ghee, and then you just fold this like this. आमी pastry कशी करता, puff pastry तशी, like how we do that puff pastry, no, like that only. First you see that the ghee gets nicely for entire dough. Now we'll add water slowly by slowly. So now for that, whatever is needed you take. So 1 cup I'm keeping, but I'm not going to add 1 cup. Okay, I will be adding little by little. So हे आमी आमचे पीठ मोवता न्हू तशेंच मोवंक जाय आनी कांय ना हेका. हे स्टायलीन तुम्ही बात करून पळयात. बरें मिस जालें, बरें लागतलें. चलता. ताका आमी आतां मातसो दवरया, मागीर दाखयता कितें करूंक जाय पळय तें. इल्लीशी घी घालया तेजे वयर. So we'll add little bit of ghee again, and then we will keep this for few minutes. So if you see from 1 cup, it's only like 1 to 2 tablespoon of water is I have used. So now of this dough we have to make 2 parts. So आमकां 2 पार्ट करूंक जाय हेजे. एक वयल्यान येतले आनी एक सकयल येतले. Then आमकां, so my baking tin is square, so I will do it in a square way. So roll this in a square. You can roll it in straight or square, whichever. So then you apply ghee on this, butter paper, and then this has to go this way. And for the top layer again same thing, roll it into a square. So for the tops we want a strip. So what you have to do, cut it like this. So this is like this, you have to cut and keep like this. So how many you want to put strips for your bath cake, that many strips you cut. Okay, so now we'll show you the procedure.